guys, and welcome back to this another video of mine. So I was thinking since a long time कि मुझे अपने LinkedIn के बारे में, अपनी LinkedIn journey के बारे में एक वीडियो बनाना चाहिए, and finally I think it is the right time. So for someone who is a beginner and they want to become a LinkedIn influencer or a LinkedIn content creator, this video is going to talk about how I started my journey, what are the key takeaways, what are the key learnings, how you can build a network on LinkedIn, what are all the benefits of being on LinkedIn, and yeah, that's it. So when I came to my college and I was in my first year, everyone almost had a LinkedIn account except me and a few friends of mine, and also some other people who are very ignorant or are busy in their own world. So I was also that kind of kid who is just into studies and थोड़े friends बना लिए, कुछ मस्ती कर ली, and LinkedIn networking, everything was something very, I don't know. I could not relate to it, and there was this buzz term everywhere. First year, say people were like searching for internships, looking out for internships, creating a network, connecting people. मेरे को तो कोई पर्पस समझ में आया नहीं, बट देन आई थॉट कि सब बना रहे हैं लिंक्डइन अकाउंट, तो वाई नॉट मी. एंड आई जस्ट ओपन द ऐप, डाउनलोडेड द पर्टिकुलर ऐप, एंड मैंने भी अपना लिंक्डइन अकाउंट क्रिएट कर दिया. जस्ट सो हाउ पीपल आर राइटिंग SRCC, और एक दो छोटे मोटे डिटेल्स डाल रहे हैं, तो ज़्यादा तो डिटेल्स थे नहीं, SRCC वॉज देयर, तो मैंने वही डाल दिया अपने बायो में. एंड बस ऐसे एक छोटा सा अकाउंट क्रिएट कर दिया जिसमें मैंने कुछ लोगों को कनेक्ट कर लिया, बैचमेट्स को ही बेसिकली. एंड उसके बाद शायद मैंने वो ऐप स्क्रॉल भी करना चाहिए टू सी कि व्हाट पीपल पोस्ट इन देयर, विच वॉज वेरी बोरिंग, क्योंकि आई एम एन इंस्टाग्राम काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. तो मेरे लिए लिंक्डइन टाइप की चीज़ वॉज वेरी बोरिंग एट दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. एंड आई थॉट कि व्हाट इज़ इट, आई मीन व्हाट आर पीपल इवन गेटिंग हेयर. तो मैंने उस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया नहीं, एंड आई थॉट कि जस्ट लेट इट बी. फिर मैंने वो ऐप बंद करके कहीं फेंक दी और मैं वापस अपनी दुनिया में आ गई इंस्टाग्राम की. बट देन फिर सेकेंड ईयर आया कॉलेज का, अगेन आई वेंट टू दैट पर्टिकुलर ऐप, और मैं उसमें देखती थी कि अब थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो गया. बिकॉज अभी जैसे आप इफ़ you are on LinkedIn since a long time ना, तो you will understand कि earlier what was there on LinkedIn and now today what people post on LinkedIn is totally two entirely different things. तो पहले there was more about information about stock markets, news, corporates, businesses, vacancies and all that stuff. but अभी recently अगर देखोगे तो authentic post, relate experiences और FOMO के ऊपर पोस्ट, मोटिवेशनल कंटेंट के ऊपर चीज़ें, ये सारी चीज़ें ज़्यादा दिखेंगी, और नॉलेज वाली जो चीज़ें वो थोड़ी कम दिखेंगी. बट ईदर वेज आई थिंक इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ ऑल द स्टफ, तो it's good enough. So now when I opened this LinkedIn in my second year, तो जब मैंने देखा तो people were writing good posts, they were writing about experiences, they were writing about random things. And then there was this particular guy, I would not like to mention his name, but he was from my college and he was a CA का student. तो I was also a CA का student, right? And I also cleared it in first attempt only. Foundation भी, inter group 1 भी, तब तक उतना हो चुका था. तो and he used to give reviews about किस तरीके का पेपर आ रहा है, किस तरीके किस कंटेंट से उसने पढ़ा था, what was his strategy and all that stuff. तो I decided कि if he can do that, then I was like, उसी की वजह से थोड़ा बहुत I was, ये थोड़ा सा उसके लिए, फोटो के लिए, थंबनेल के लिए. So उसकी वजह से I was थोड़ा सा motivated, and somewhere I knew कि I could also use this particular platform for the same thing. So I decided to write about my CA tips and strategies, what things I used, and मैंने क्या क्या कैसे अपना group 1 क्लियर किया, कैसे अपना group 2 के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ. तो I started writing about it थोड़ा थोड़ा, and धीरे धीरे people started reacting to it, they found it relatable, and I was happy because अब धीरे धीरे my network was growing. तो I remember कि धीरे धीरे it was around 500-600 और इतना कनेक्शंस मेरे बन गए थे, and I was more than happy. So this content started to work. I wrote about CA strategies, tips, and what are the study material you should use, what are the revision tips, revision hacks and all that stuff, and people were liking it. Then came the lowest point of my life, which was placement season, because जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया वीडियोज़ में, it's a very very hectic, it's a very mind exhausting kind of process. There's a lot of pressure on you, there's a lot of FOMO, there are a lot of expectations, there are fears, fear of failing, fear of not standing up to your expectations, fear of not achieving what you always wanted to, and somewhere you question your decision that why are you even there in the college. So that was that particular time. तो उसका रीज़न अलग था for people not shortlisting me or cancelling me after the final interviews, which was obviously CA, because कौन अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कैसे पर्सन को एम्प्लॉय करना चाहेगा विच इज़ हु इज़ हाफ वे इनटू सम अदर थिंग, एंड दैट पर्सन कैन लीव, राइट. तो दैट वाज अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग विच इज़ वाई आई वाज नॉट बीइंग सेलेक्टेड. बट अगेन द फीलिंग ऑफ बीइंग रिजेक्टेड वाज समथिंग विच आई वाज फीलिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ. I had always been that person who's excelling at whatever I do, basically studies, and rejections, failures, this is something which मैंने कभी एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं की थी. तो इट वॉज वेरी weird kind of feeling that what am I lacking, where am I falling behind, and what is my CV lack, or where should I work upon, what should I do to even stand close to people who are getting placed but not me. So I started writing that kind of content, जो pressure feel होता है, the FOMO and the placement process, how it's just so brain fucking. So that is when I started to write about it. And then when I wrote about it, there were people who actually related to it, not because I just wrote about SRCC and the placement season. I also wrote about other things, like daily things which happen in my life or how I am as a person. Then I was reading Gita also at that particular time. So there was all, spiritual thoughts in my mind. There was more of patience. There were things which I was learning, a lifestyle I was learning. I was trying to be more positive. I was trying to be more happy. I was trying to be more accepting towards life. And that is what I also wanted to write on my LinkedIn content. So whatever I felt was something which I presented to people, and luckily it worked. So even if I think there are times when you will think why is everything wrong happening with me, we fail to realize it is happening to you for a specific reason. Had I not felt that failures, had I not felt those rejections, I might not have even used LinkedIn to write something. I mean, I have a diary to write about random crushes and random things that happen on my life, in my life, but as a content likhna, healing content likhna, it was not because I wanted to heal people through my words. I just wanted to satisfy myself. I just wanted to accept myself is who I am, and I just wanted to heal myself. So in that journey of healing myself, satisfying myself, I found a community. I found people who were ready to accept me, people who supported me, people who related to me, and somewhere in their life also they had gone through the same phase. So that is how this networking thing started. This community was created, and when I achieved my 1000 connections on LinkedIn, that was the happiest moment of my life. Abhi though it's 10,000, from 1,000 to 10,000, it's been a very long journey. It's not about, I won't say कि कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा I did on it, or there was not a lot of struggle, but yes, there are days when you need to show up even if you don't want to. And the way you show up to your college, the way you show up in your offices, the way you show up to people, the same way I used to show up to LinkedIn. There were days when I was happy, there were days when I was not doing very well, but I never stopped writing because I somewhere knew that consistency is the key. Be it anything, be it studies, be it your work, be it anything, perfection. If you want to achieve in something, it's through practice. You need to show up daily, and that was basically the biggest hack or the biggest trick I could say, writing content which was authentic, and that too on my own. Now इस पे I'll say that many people are using ChatGPT for the same thing, right? पूरा content ChatGPT से लिखवाना है and then pasting it on the internet. Sorry to say, but no one's interested to read that mechanical language. I particularly understand that you can use ChatGPT to improve your English, to make it a bit fine, to improve some sentences, to frame some sentences. But using ChatGPT to get idea to write on LinkedIn, or to ask ChatGPT to write a LinkedIn content for you and then just copy pasting it blindly, thinking that you will gain impressions. You might gain followers, you might gain impressions, but over time there's no authenticity in your content. You're just blatantly copying, and aisa material is very very clear. People understand very easily that this particular thing is copied from somewhere and it's not written originally by that particular person. So I'd suggest to those people who are still thinking they want to write on LinkedIn, they want to become a LinkedIn creator, and they want to grow a community, you are just a post away. Whatever you're feeling, whatever you feel like, whatever you want to write about, it could be I'll say, Instagram nahi कि you post pictures. Obviously you can post pictures, but the content should be very authentic. The content should be your focus. What you are catering to other people, how is it adding to them, right? That is what you need to think, because LinkedIn, being a LinkedIn content creator is not, it's kind of similar to everything. Like, it's kind of selling your product. So when you sell your product to a customer, they focus on the value addition, right? What is something which you are adding to it, what is the benefit they're getting out of it. So that is the same thing which applies to your content. When you're writing content, you need to be thoughtful of the fact that people are going to read it, and they want to, if they're reading the whole of it, they want something out of it, they want to learn something, or maybe they just want to smile at it, they want something out of it, and it becomes your duty to write content which gives some value. And wo tabhi hoga when you write something which is valuable to you, something you value, something you think about, you experienced, that kind of thing. तो LinkedIn पे I started just like that, rejection के phase में I started, and उसके बाद से I didn't ever stop. अभी recently, since my articleship has begun, I've been very inactive on LinkedIn, but still whenever I find time out, be it early morning or be it the late of night, whenever it feels to me that I need to write something, I just write and I just rant, I post, and my people support me. And it's the love of you guys. I don't know who is here from LinkedIn or not, but I hope people from YouTube also go to my LinkedIn account and follow me out there, and I'm always there up for you guys to, help you in any kind of content related problem, something you want to know कि किस तरीके से content लिखना है, or how do you want to start something of that sort. So I'm always there for you guys, like I'm ready to help. बाकी तो I started just like that. It was accidental, but over time I just grew fond of it, and recently I completed my 10,000 followers, and yesterday I completed my 11,000 followers. Followers are something जो focus करती थी मैं when I was on 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, but अभी followers भी matter नहीं करते. अभी तो what matters is कि किस तरीके का content I'm giving to my people and how are they reacting to it. So that is more or less my LinkedIn journey. How LinkedIn is useful, basically अगर आपका प्रोफाइल अच्छा है, कनेक्शंस हैं, कंटेंट क्रिएटर हो या ना हो, बट अगर कनेक्शंस हैं, प्रोफाइल अच्छा सा प्रोफेशनल सा आपने मेंटेन कर रखा है, इसके बारे में भी आई थोड़ा सा गिव यू गाइडेंस. प्रोफेशनल प्रोफाइल से आई मीन कि जो बैक कवर है इट शुड बी प्रोफेशनल. एक कोट भी लगा सकते हो नॉर्मल सा, दैट्स योर चॉइस, बट प्लीज़ वहाँ पे फूल पत्ती और डिज़ाइनर चीज़ें मत लगाइए बिकॉज इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी अनप्रोफेशनल इफ़ यू डू दैट. एंड देन कम्स योर प्रोफाइल फोटो इफ़ इट्स इन प्रोफेशनल क्लोथ्स, दैट इज़ फॉर्मल क्लोथ्स, देन इट्स अ वेल इन गुड. अगर नहीं है तो नॉर्मल अपने फेस की फ़ोटो आप वहाँ पर लगा सकते हो. अवॉइड इंस्टाग्राम की पिक्चर्स वहाँ पे लगाना फॉर गर्ल्स, क्योंकि बॉयज़ का तो इंस्टाग्राम की पिक्चर और लिंक्डइन की पिक्चर वो सेम होती है, तो उनके लिए नहीं, बट गर्ल्स की थोड़ी अलग अलग होती है. तो आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड यू टू पुट वेरी फैंसी पिक्चर्स आउट देयर बिकॉज दे आर नॉट देयर, पीपल ऑन लिंक्डइन आर नॉट देयर टू स्टॉक योर अकाउंट और इट्स नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. तो मेंटेन इट फॉर्म. फिर उसके बाद जो हेडलाइन है उसमें यू कैन राइट अबाउट योर कॉलेज नेम एंड समथिंग रिमार्केबल यू हैव अचीव, डॉट डॉट लगा के या डैश डैश लगा के दिस यू कैन राइट. फिर जो डिस्क्रिप्शन आता है आपके बारे में उसमें जस्ट राइट अ करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव, राइट थोड़ा सा अबाउट यू, आपके पैशंस क्या हैं, आप आगे फ्यूचर में क्या परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, करेंटली आप क्या चीज़ चाहते हो, क्या एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो, किस लिए आप लिंक्डइन पे हो, बेसिकली वो पर्पस. उसके अलावा अपडेट और बाकी सारे सेक्शंस, जैसे एजुकेशन का सेक्शन अच्छे से करेक्ट स्कूल को, जैसे मैंने कई लोगों को देखा है वो CA डाल देते हैं उसमें CMS से. आई मीन व्हाट इज़ दैट, CA कहाँ से CMS से होने लगी. तो CMS इज़ अ स्कूल बेसिकली, अगर किसी को ना पता हो तो CMS आएगा आपके 10th-12th के लिए, और ICAI यू विल राइट व्हेन इट कम्स टू CA का इंटरमीडिएट और परस्यूइंग समथिंग लाइक दैट. उसके अलावा पीपल राइट CA इंटर ग्रुप 1 फिनालिस्ट, CA इंटर ग्रुप 1 डन क्लियर्ड, CA इंटर ग्रुप 2, ये सब मेरे हिसाब से बहुत इनवैलिड अपनी हेडलाइन में लिखने का. CA फिनालिस्ट हो तो CA फिनालिस्ट लिखो, CA इंटर हो तो CA इंटर लिखो, नहीं तो परस्यूइंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी को उतना लिख के छोड़ दो, उसमें और कोई राम कहानी लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो वो सारी चीज़ें बहुत अनप्रोफेशनल दिखाती हैं आपके अकाउंट को अगर आप ये सब लिख रहे हो वहाँ पे कि ग्रुप 1 क्लियर, DA क्लियर. ऊपर सेकंड चीज़ एग्जाम्शंस मेंशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो अपने CV में कर लेना. लिंक्डइन के बायो पे लिख देना इतने एग्जाम्शंस है मेरे, डजंट मेक एनी सेंस, तो वो मत लिखो. वहाँ पे आप इंटर्नशिप्स भी ऐसे नहीं कि ये था मैं यहाँ पर, वो सब लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं. जस्ट राइट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस नेम XEY, जैसे अगर कोई वहाँ पे करा है, या X यहाँ पे, या इंटर्न एट, या फिर जस्ट नॉर्मली एक के बाद एक उनके ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के नाम लिख दो, डॉट डॉट लगा के, Paytm डॉट नेस्ल डॉट BCG व्हाटएवर इट इज़. नहीं है तो मत लिखो. करेंटली कुछ करे तो इंटर्न एट वो लिख दो, आर्टिकल असिस्टेंट एट वो लिख दो, सीकिंग आर्टिकलशिप उतना लिख दो. ये फालतू की चीज़ें उसमें लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं, तो आपका प्रोफेशनल प्रोफाइल बन जाता है. इफ़ यू वांट अ मोर डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू मेक योर profile थोड़ा सा stand out, you can ping me on LinkedIn or you can ping me in the comment section about the same. Recently also I have created my TopMate account. So TopMate is basically a platform wherein you can book one-to-one sessions with me, wherein you will get a chance to talk to me through a Google Meet, or you can even DM me, priority DMs. That is also for a very nominal fee of 30, 40, 50 rupees, and it will be a 30-minute call wherein you can talk about anything in your life, or it could be related to CA, it could be related to SPOMs, it could be related related to exams, anything, anytime, you can just ping me there. So I'll share more details about my TopMate account on my LinkedIn. So in order to have that one-to-one call or session, you can ping me on my LinkedIn account. Any other doubts related to LinkedIn, my journey and everything are freely welcome in the comment section. और आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा ये मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिएगा. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन माई चैनल. बाय बाय.